Are you ready? Catch. Wow, you vacuumed that up.
Kaya kami.
Zaza, é o passarinho?
Take a picture. You can video. Oh my.
Kirk!
I love you. I love you. I love you. There.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire bag.
Come on, you gotta get. No, we don't just play dead. We don't just play dead. No, get.
Good boy. Dory, come here. Come here. We gotta put this on. We gotta put it on first.
How do you feel today? What kind of troubles you got?
Wait, we're home. We're in the garage. Come on.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, shut up, I love it.
Look at what's that? What's this crazy stuff?
Jax, it's time to go for a walk. Come on. Argue on. Yes, you always argue with me. No, you did.
What is he doing? Oh, he got his tail. Is that what he's doing? Cool.
Lo quiere mascar.
You gotta go. Hello. What's your name? What's your name, baby?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good.
Having a hard time getting your bone?
Well done, Ozzy.
Ollie. Did you?
Hey, Blue. Can you speak?
That was a cat.
What do you see, Freddie? What do you see?
Are you picking cherries, Diamond? You're gonna get those cherries, huh? Pick the cherries. Good girl. You gonna pick her. Ooh. Ooh.
On in.
Does it hurt him?
Make him come in here.
Get it. Get it.
Pretty sure my dog's broken.
Good girl. He's a good girl. Now, can you get your brush?
Here's oatmeal in his natural habitat, the kitchen. This is a part of a pickle that I dropped. Oatmeal hates pickle.